Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, tires front all season, tires rear all season, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, rear wheel drive. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.